Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Michael in Pennsylvania on the Connex 3300 HP. Michael, got ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Got your static 636 micro to throw in the box as well. Let's get right to it. Low power, 25 watt slug. We get you sitting about 2 watts all the way down. Put on the high side. There's 10, that way if you decide to run just the radio. Show you average power swing. Hello, 21 bird average, 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 50 watts on the money. The Toshiba regulator is going to help keep her cooler on the side here. That's what supplies the voltage to the finals. We'll get her out to you, Michael. Good talking to you the other day. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.